Hello, I'm going to review Nunchuck wallet. Is it the best cryptocurrency wallet for 2025? So Nunchuck is a secure self-custodial Bitcoin wallet launched in 2020 that enables single or multi-sig key setups, hardware wallet integration, smart inheritance planning, and collaborative custody features, all accessible via intuitive mobile and desktop apps. Pros: highly secure custody, user-friendly UI, collaborative tools, and strong community feedback. Cons: occasional bugs, login-related seed loss risk, and less known. Relative to long-standing wallets like Keza or Unchained, Nunchuck is newer and less marketed. So conclusion, Nunchuck offers a compelling blend of advanced security, intuitive design, and collaborative features, making it a top-tier choice for both individuals, self-custody, and multi-user setup in 2025. While it's still maturing and requires attentive use, especially around seed handling, it stands out as modern, feature-rich wallet worth considering, particularly for those using hardware keys.